Here I have ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So you can find SIM card and SD card slot here, so basically you don't even need some special tool to eject it. You can try to do it with just your fingernails. As you can see, I don't have much, but still give it a try. So as you can see, it's quite possible, but here to eject this slot, I guess you will need some kind of extra tool. So you can hatch it like this. So as you can see, there's like a small hatch, and you can hatch it only from this side. Whoop! And now we have this slot. So here you can insert your SD card, and here you can insert your SIM card. Wait, okay. And that's the way it goes. And then what you have to do is to just put it back into device, like this. Let's get it. So basically it doesn't ask for any pin code, but as you can see, as a proof, there's a notification that SD card detected, and to show you that SIM card is also detected, we go to SIM manager, and as you can see, now I have this SIM slot enabled here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.